Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 6.2. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Number 1, 6 multiplied by 200 equal to dash. So here we have to multiply these two numbers. So we are thinking this 200 is a big number. So how we will multiply with 6? So for that what we have to do? We have to split this 200. See, 6 multiplied by 200 means we can write 2 multiplied by 100. Okay, means we will get 200. So now it is easy. So first we will multiply 6 multiplied by 2. So 6 2s are 12. Okay, then multiply by 100. So what we will get? 12 multiplied by 100, we will get 1200. Okay, so here how many zeros are there? That we will write down. Okay, so 12 multiplied by 100, we will get 1200. So our answer is 1200. Okay, now number 2, 13 multiplied by 400. So here also we will split first this 400. So 13 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 100. So 4 multiplied by 100 means we will get 400. Okay, so first we will multiply 13 fours are, how much we will get? 13 fours are 52. Then 52 multiplied by 100, what we will get? 5200. Okay, two zeros are there, so that we will write down. So 5200. So our answer is 5200. Now number 3, 16 multiplied by 80. So again first we will split this 80. Okay, 16 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 10. So 8 multiplied by 10, 8 tens are 80, right? We are getting. So first we will solve 16 multiplied by 8. So 16 8s are, that is 128 multiplied by 10. So 10, so we will write here only 10. So 1280. So our answer is 1280. Now number 4, 15 multiplied by 500. So first we will split this 500. So 15 multiplied by, how we will split? 5 multiplied by 100. So we will get 500. Yes. Okay, so first we will solve this. 15 5s are 75. So 75 multiplied by 100. How many zeros are there here? 2. So 7500. Here we will write 2 zeros. So our answer is 7500. Now next, number 5, 37 multiplied by 30. So first we will have to split this 30. So 37 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 10 we can write. For 30, 3 tens are 30, right? So first we will multiply 37 3s are. So here we can multiply and we can see. So 3 7s are 21. So 1 we will write down, 2 will be carried over, 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 10, 11. So 13 7s are 111 multiplied by now 10. So what answer we will get? 1110. Okay, 10. So we will write here 10 only. So 1110. So 37 30s are 1110. Now next, number 6, 190 multiplied by 200. So 190 multiplied by, we will split this 200, means we will write 2 multiplied by 100. Okay, so first we will multiply 190 multiplied by 2. So how much we will get? 190 multiplied by 2. So 2 zeros are 0. Then 2 9s are 18. So 8 we will write down, 1 will be carried over to 1. Now 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So 190 multiplied by 2 we will get 380 multiplied by 100. So how many zeros are there in 100? 2. So equal to 3. So we will get 380. Then we will write 2 zeros, means 38,000. So 190 multiplied by 200 equal to 38,000. Okay. Now number 7, 135 multiplied by 300. So 135, we will split this 300, means 3 multiplied by 100. So first we will do 135 multiplied by 3. So 3 5s are 15. So 5 we will write down. 1 will be carried over to 3. Now 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. So 0 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. Now 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. So our answer is 405. Multiply by 100. So in 100 how many zeros are there? 2. So we will write here 405, then 2 zeros, means 40,500. What is our answer? 40,500. Now number 8. 40 multiplied by 8,000. So 40 multiplied by 8,000 we have to split, means 8 multiplied by 1,000 we can write. Okay, 3 zeros are there, so we will multiply by 1,000. So 48 are, so 8 zeros are 0, 8 4s are 32, means we will get 320 multiplied by 1,000. So first we will write 320, then how many zeros? 1 2 3. 1 2 3 means 3,20,000. 3,20,000. Now question number 2, multiply. Number 1, 157 multiply by 20 equal to dash. So first we will write 157 multiply by this 20 we can split, that is 2 multiply by 10 we can write. Yes. Now first we will multiply 157 multiply by 2. So how much we will get? So 2 7s are 14. So 4 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 11. So 1 we will write down. Other one will be carried over. Now 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3 means 314. So now 314 multiply by 10. So what we will get? 1 0 is there, means 3,140. So our answer is 3,140. Now number 2, 385 multiply by 70 equal to dash. So 385 multiply by the 70 we can split. 7 multiply by 10. Okay, so first we will multiply 385 multiply by 7. 85 multiply by 7. 7 5s are 35. So 5 we will write down and 3 will be carried over. Then 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 3 59. So 9 we will write down. 5 will be carried over. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 5 26. Means 2,695 multiply by 10. So here 1 0 there. So we will write 2,695, then we will write 1 0, means 26,950. So our answer is 26,950. Now number 3, 476 multiply by 60. Okay, so first we will write 476 multiply by 60 we have to split, means 6 multiply by 10 we can write. Yes, 6 10s are 60. So first we will multiply these two. So 476 multiply by 6. So 6 6s are 36. So 6 we will write down. 3 will be carried over. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3 45. So 5 we will write down. 4 will be carried over. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 4 28. So we will get 2,856 multiply by 10. So what we will get? 2,856, then we will write 1 0, means 28,560. Now number 4, 572 multiply by 300. So 572, so we have to split the 300, means we can write 3 multiply by 100, means we will get 300. So first we have to multiply this. So 572 multiply by 3. So 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. So 1 we will write down, 2 will be carried over. So 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 17, means 1,716 multiply by 100. So first we will write 1716, then how many zeros we will write? 2. Means 1,71,600. Now number 5, 187 multiplied by 400. So 187 multiplied by, we have to split the 400. So 4 multiplied by 100 we can write. Yes. So 187 multiplied by 4. So 4 sevens are 28. So 8 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 2, 34. So 4 we will write down. 3 will be carried over. Now 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Means 748. Multiply by 100. So 748, and how many zeros we will write? 2. Means 74,800 is our answer. Now number 6, 9,332. Sorry, 932 multiply by 800. So 932. So 800 we have to split. So 8 multiply by 100 we can write. Yes. So first we will multiply these two. So 932 multiply by 8. So 8 2s are 16. So 6 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. So 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. So 5 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 2, 74. So our answer is 7,456 multiplied by 100. So first we will write here 7,456. Then how many zeros we will write? 2. Means our answer is 7,45,600. 7,45,600. Okay. Now next, number 7. 125 multiplied by 6,000. So 125. So we have to split the 6,000. Means we can write 6 multiplied by 1,000. Because in 6,000 how many zeros are there? 3. So we will multiply by it 1,000, right? So first we will multiply these two. So 125 multiplied by 6. So 6 5s are 30. So 0 we will write down. 3 will be carried over. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So 5 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Means 750. Now we have to multiply by 1,000. So down we will write 750. Then how many zeros we will write? 3 zeros. So our answer is 7,50,000. So our answer is 7,50,000. Now number 8, 267 multiplied by 4,000. So 267. So we have to split the 4,000. Means 4 multiplied by 1,000 we can write. So we will get 4,000. Yes. So we will multiply 267 multiply by 4. So 267 multiply by 4. So 4 sevens are 28. So 8 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 2, 26. So 6 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Means 1,068. So 1,068 multiply by now 1,000. Okay, so here down we will write 1,068. Then how many zeros we will write? 1 2 3. So our answer is 10,68,000. Now question number 3. Fill in the boxes with the correct numbers. So number 1, here sum is given. Okay, so we have to fill this box. Now 128 multiplied by 46. Okay, so here in multiplication first we have to start from the ones place digit. Okay, so from they have started from the ones place, that is 6. 6 8s are 48. So 8 they have written down and 4 will be carried over. Then 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4 means 16. So 6 they have written down and 1 will be carried over. Now 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So 768. So how we have got this answer? That is, we multiplied 128 by 6. So here we will write here 6. Now next Now we have to multiply by second digit, that is 4. So 4 is in the place of tens, right? No, 6 is in the place of ones and 4 is in the place of tens. So we can check once. 4 8s are. Before that, multiplying by 4, we have to write here 1 0 in multiplication. Okay, if 2 digits are there, so whenever we are multiplying by second number, so first we have to write 1 0. So 4 8s are 32. So 2 we will write down, 3 will be carried over. So 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 11. So 1 we will write down, other 1 will be carried over. So 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Okay, so how we got this answer? That is 128 multiplied by 40. Okay, because 4 is in the place of tens. Now we will add this 8 plus 0. Sorry, here 8 plus 0 8. Okay, then 6 plus 2 8. 7 plus 1 8. Then 5 we will carry it down. So 5888, that is 128 multiplied by 46. Okay, this is the final answer. Now next number 2, 246 multiplied by 34. So 984, how we got that? We multiplied by 4 first digits. Okay, so 246 multiplied by 10. Now second, with which number we will multiply? That is 3, means tens place digit. So before that we have to write here 0. So 246 multiplied by, here we can write 30. Okay, so then we will get 7380. Now our final answer is 8364. So how you got this? That is 246 multiplied by 34. Thank you.